Now I am solving this question number 13. Okay, this question number 13 now I am solving. So these are the adjustment. Okay, so first of all, preparation of realization account. So the assets: leaving cash and bank. Leaving bank stock 6,000, debtors 19,000, furniture 4,000, plant 28,000, investment 10,000. So this is transferred here. Stock 6,000, data 19,000, furniture 4,000, and plant 28,000, and investment 10,000. Okay, the profit and loss account given in the assets at 7,500. This profit and loss account means it is a loss. It is to be debited to the partner's capital account afterwards. If profit and loss account is given here in the liability side, it means undistributed profit that is to be distributed to the partner's capital account in the credit side by profit and loss account. That means that is if profit and loss account is given here, this is undistributed profit that is to be credited to the partner's capital account, just like general reserve. Same. But when profit and loss account is given in the asset side, it means loss. It means a loss. It is to be debited to the partner's capital account in the old ratio. Okay. So now here, so all these assets are transferred, leaving cash in bank and the profit and loss account. Okay, this is a loss. So asset transfer here. Similar liability is a creditor is a liability, and Mrs. A loan. Mrs. A loan is also external liability. So these two are transferred here in the credit side of realization account. Creditor transfer and Mrs. A's loan transfer. Okay, this is the transfer of creditors and the A's loan. Now here, A took the investment 8,000. A took the investment 8,000 and pay off Mrs. A's loan. A took the investment and 8,000 and pay off Mrs. A's loan. A took the investment here by A capital account, investment taken by A at 8,000, and A has paid the Mrs. A's loan. Mrs. A's loan is paid by Mr. A capital account. Mrs. A's loan paid 10,000. Please see this transaction. Okay. Please note down this transaction that when asset investment is taken by A capital account, and Mrs. A's loan is paid by A to A capital account. Okay. So now after that, assets realized. Assets realized are here. The other assets realized are stock 5,000, data 18,000, furniture 4,500, plant 25,000. So here by bank asset realized, when asset is realized by bank account debited to realization account. So in the realization account by bank account, asset stock, data, furniture and plant total 53,000 realized. Okay, asset realized 53,000. Okay, now paid to creditor. Here paid to creditor, expenses on realized 1,600 and paid creditor accepted 37,000 only. So creditor, you have to pay to the creditor. Creditor is 38,000, but you have paid to the creditor only 37,000 as given in the question. And expense on realization is 1,600. So this is, so debit side is more, debit side total is more than the credit side, so we got a loss on realization. So loss on realization is 6,600, that is to be distributed among A and B in their old ratio. So this is the preparation of realization account. So first of all, this is the asset transfer from the balance sheet, from the balance sheet, leaving cash and bank, or transfer here in the balance asset. These are the assets here. These assets are stock 6,000, data 19,000, furniture, plant, investment is transferred here. Stock 6,000, data, furniture, plant, investment is transferred here. And creditor, this creditor is creditor, and Mrs. A's loan is external liability. These two are, this is external liability, creditor and Mrs. A's loan. Mrs. A's loan is external liability. These two are transferred here. And creditor is paid 37,000 and Mrs. A's loan is paid by A capital. A has paid. Mrs. A's loan is paid by A here. Mrs. A loan transfer here and paid by A here. Okay. Similar the investment is taken by A capital, asset taken by A, investment taken by A here. So other assets realized here. So expenses and creditor paid here. So then the difference is the loss on realization that is to be debited to the partner's capital account here by loss and realization that is distributed among A and B in the old ratio 3:2. This is how we prepare the realization account. Now after the preparation of partner's capital account, let's prepare the after the preparation of realization account, now preparation of partner's capital account. So this question number 13. So now in this, first of all, balance brought down from the capital. A capital is 10,000 and B capital is 8,000. This capital is transferred here. These two capital of A and B is transferred to the credit side of partner's capital account. A capital account by balance brought down 10,000 and 8,000. And this reserve is 5,000. The reserve is 5,000 distributed among A and B in the old ratio by reserve. Okay, 3:2 ratio is divided. Okay, and here there is a profit and loss account 7,000. This is profit and loss account given in the asset side, means I have already said it is an undistributed loss. It is a loss of the firm, but it is not distributed among the partners, so it is to be debited to the partners capital account. To profit and loss account 3:2, so 4,500 and 3,000. Old ratio it is to be debited to. If profit and loss account is given in the asset side, in liability side, it will come here by, just like it is a by profit and loss account. If profit and loss account is given in the asset side, it means a loss. It is to be debited here. If profit and loss account is given in the liability side, it means undistributed profit that is to be distributed in the partners capital account here in the credit side. Okay, this is the credit side and this is the debit side. So profit and loss account given in the liability side means if profit and loss account is given in the liability side, it will come here. So now Mrs. A's loan paid by here. This is the here Mrs. realizing account debited to A capital account. This is Mrs. A's loan paid. See this entry, realizing account debited to A's capital account, Mrs. A's loan paid. So in the A capital account by realizing account, Mrs. A's loan paid 10,000. Okay, and this is the loss on realization. Loss on realization. This is loss on realization. This we got it from here. Loss on realization. So loss on realization. A share of loss on realization 3,960, and B share of loss on realization is 2,640. That is to be debited to the partner's capital account here. Loss on realization. If profit, it will come in the by realization profit. Loss to realization loss here. The investment is taken by A. A took the investment here. When A took the investment, the journal entry is realization account debited to partner's capital account debited to realization account. In the realization account by A capital account, in the partner's capital account to realization account. See that in the realization account partner by A capital account. When investment is taken by A, the journal entry is A capital account debited to realization account. In the realization account by A capital account. In the partner's capital account to realization account. Okay. So now here this total 23,000 minus this total we get balance CD as a final payment. This is a final payment to A, and B 10,000 minus this 7,640 we got 4,360 is the final payment to C. This is a balancing figure. This was not there before. So 10,000, this 23,000 minus this 3. 23,000 minus this total of these 3 will get here 6,540 is the final payment to A. And similarly B is 10,000 here. 10,000 minus 5,640 we got 4,360 as a final payment to A and B. Now the farm is closed. This is the final payment paid to A and B as a final payment now. Okay, so this is the preparation of a partner's capital account. So this is as usual balance brought down, old capital from the old balance sheet. Reserve is distributed here. This is the by realizing Mrs. A's loan paid. A has paid Mrs. A's loan. So realization account debited to A's capital account. In the realization account, you have to written here to A's capital account. In A's capital account, you write by realization account. So please see this one. And investment taken by A capital account debited to realization account by A capital account in the partner's capital account to realize investment taken. Okay, now this minus this is the final payment. So this is the preparation of partner's capital account. So now let's prepare the bank account. So bank account, first of all here bank is given in the balance sheet asset side. Bank balance is 11,500. This is the opening bank balance as per balance sheet. This is as per old balance sheet. This is as per balance sheet. Okay, this is as per the balance sheet is 11,500. So 11,500 old balance sheet given here to bank account. Cash at bank 11,500. So this is as per. Now here we see, if you see the preparation of bank account, the easy way to prepare the bank account is, you see first of all you see the realization account. So in debit side you see the realization account debit side to bank. Realization account to bank means by realization account expenses paid, creditor paid. Again you see this one is done. It is transferred here. Realization to bank means by realization. Realization here to bank expenses paid means by realization here. Okay, and here by bank means here by bank means to realization, asset realized. This is also done. Okay, so bank is transferred. So from the realization, see to bank means by realization, to bank means here by realization, by bank means to realization. This is for asset realized, because when creditor is paid, realization account debited to bank. Here by realization paid to creditor. When expenses paid, realization account debited to bank, expenses paid. Expenses paid here by realized expenses paid. Okay, and this balance brought, and when asset realized here, the asset realized is bank account debited to realization account, bank account debited to realization account, in the realization account by bank account. So 53,000 is the asset realized here. Okay, now here this is B's loan paid, it not transfer anywhere, but here B's loan here B's loan is 15,000, B's loan is 15,000. Okay, and partners capital account here A and B final payment, this is transfer from here, final payment to bank account A and B, to bank account means here by partners capital A and B. So in this way your bank account will tally like this. Okay, again from the beginning.